Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm trying to compare NUX C-5RC with a standard guitar cable. The goal is to hear the sound difference, if it's same or not. I'll tell you the few differences I have experienced. That with the NUX it's dead quiet because there's no 60 cycle hum. I guess I'm not sure of the exact term how to explain it, but the ground, like when you touch your guitar, like the metal parts, especially your bridge or your tuning knobs, you complete the ground loop and thus it cancels the noise. But when the moment you pick your hand off, the ground noise starts coming. But because you are not connected physically with your guitar while using a NUX, there's no noise, so that's a very great feature. Now let's hear the sound difference. I have set the amp very flat. I have bumped the volume because the YouTube is gonna compress the video for sure. Also, I'm recording this through a Pixel 9, and Pixel 9 also, compress the audio sometimes to, compensate the highs and the lows, the bumps in the volume. So let's start this video. I'm gonna hit some open G chord, D chord, A chord. I'm just trying to keep it simple. I'm not using any pedals, not high gain, because then you won't be able to hear the exact sound. So let's start the video. Sounds kind of sparkly. For the guitar, I'm using a Sire S7 by Carlton. It was neck pickup, so that's the jangly sound. Now let's connect the guitar cable. It's not a very expensive one, I'll show you. It's called, let me focus a bit. It's called Bespeco. It's sort of a mid-range cable. It does the job pretty well, except when you run high gain pedal. So now, as you can see, that's the ground noise, and I'll touch my guitar, it will cancel out. I'll try to show this in the video. So this is my guitar, and the moment I touch it, so this is a drawback with guitar cables, and an advantage when you're using a wireless guitar system like NUX, Exive or Boss. But now let's go to the sounds. So I don't know if it's gonna be that audible in the video or not, but what I can hear is the high frequencies are slightly rolled off in the guitar cable, whereas the NUX is sparkly on the top end. Also, the guitar cable sounds to be warm and having those nice low mid frequencies and somewhere around 800 hertz, that boxiness, but not much. Whereas the NUX sounds a bit scooped, especially for the low mid frequencies. Is that bad? I don't think so. Both are good in their own ways, because too much low mids can make the guitar sound fuller but also muddy at the same time, and also boxy. So I mean, it depends on a person to person what you're trying to do. You can always compensate it through your pedal or from the mixer you're connected to. But this was my experience. I hope it helps everyone out. Thank you.